Maybe she's trying to imitate the sirens.
Bugs. Charlotte Bugs. Yeah.
Yeah, babies. We would do. We would do it back to
Oh,
you, but we
babies,
don't know
babies,
how.
babies.
She puts her tongue up on the roof of her mouth.
How do you do it?
I can't.
Oh, that time her tongue was not up on
No.
the roof of her mouth.
She just kind of curled it up.
Kind of like if you roll your R's in Spanish.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
That's a good.
But I was never able
Yeah,
to do that.
But
It's further. It sounds like
it's coming from deep, man. I don't know how she does it. Do it again, baby. Do it again.
Charlotte Bugs, do it again.
Sillies.
At least it's not loud.